talking really happy with a guy in a car. I don't know why guys are so happy. Is it because they make babies? I think you might have thought I was a girl when I bent over to take my mail out of my box. You shouted fuck really loud, like you wish you could stick your dick in my ass and fuck the living daylights out of me. But if you pulled my pants down, like right there in front of my mailbox, you would see a hairy asshole and no vagina. Guys like me look good enough to fuck, but we don't have vaginas, not even right there between our scrotums and our assholes. You think doctors give every gay guy a vagina? If they do, they passed me up, but I don't want one anyway. How would it feel? Good, it wouldn't feel like a vagina or anything. And what would be so great about being your jack-off sleeve? If you really wanna fuck me, I'm not really flattered. You didn't really do anything. You just walked away really happy about something. If you were happy about liking my ass, I don't think I'm really gonna share your joy. You didn't even reach out and grab it. Were you just trying to make me fuck and cash in on the credit for making it happen? If you were that's really boring, it's not really gonna happen.